First Warn 5 weather supported by DHR Health. And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Alan Shoemaker.
Had some sun getting through today. The clouds are already starting to thicken, though. If you've been out this afternoon, the clouds kind of starting to roll back in from the west. So the First Warn 5 satellite radar here doesn't show much rain. It shows maybe a couple sprinkles in the clouds, but doubt any of that is even actually making it to the ground. The air still a little too dry, I think. But the best chance of showers, again, bypassing us to the north. If you've been watching the weather the last several weeks or so, especially when I've been here, I've been saying a lot of times the storm track still taking most of the rain in the same direction up to our north across central northern Texas, Oklahoma, then eventually toward like Mississippi, Alabama, Tennessee. So that continues to be the trend, but we're on the very edge of this moisture. So we could get tiny amounts of rain maybe late tonight or tomorrow, mainly in the evening or tomorrow night into Tuesday. 10 or 20% chances of a very light shower or sprinkle in spots. I mean, but even then, we're talking enough to maybe just put some spots on your car. If even that, most areas look dry. And we do need some rain, though. The latest update last Thursday from the drought, all of the valley, at least in the severe drought, which is up in one of the bad categories. This would be the low end of the drought, and exceptional is the worst. So we're getting into worse and worse drought conditions. And the thing is, to the point now, we need at least really 2 to 4 inches to kind of catch up to get back toward kind of just about the dry area or almost out of it. So if we could get 2 to 4 inches of rain in the next month, that would really help out. But so far, nothing is pointing toward any significant rainfall. And so your day planner tomorrow, even though there are some clouds around, it's going to be maybe a sprinkle once in a while if something tries to form. Temperatures in the upper 60s in the morning, mostly cloudy, but like today, breezes to about 25 to 30 miles per hour with a gust. But I think by tomorrow evening and night into Tuesday, you might see the clouds thicken up even more. And again, you might see a little sprinkle, but I think for the most part, we're talking about dry conditions. And future track shows, again, a lot of clouds, but not much rain. Overnight, clouds in and out of the skies. And then tomorrow, some breaks in the clouds like today, but generally a mostly cloudy day. It gets a little breezy, gust to about 30 miles per hour again. And then tomorrow night, you see future track still doesn't have a lot. It has clouds hanging around into Tuesday, but again, you might catch a little sprinkle now and then, about a 20% chance, maybe a sprinkle on Tuesday, but it's not going to be much. In fact, you look at rainfall amounts on future track, and it still shows overall all the way through Monday and Tuesday. You don't see many colors coming our way. It does show a little surge of maybe about a few hundredths or a tenth of an inch of rain, and even that might be optimistic for Tuesday. So, you know, if we do get a little bit of rain on Monday or Tuesday, we're talking still tiny amounts, mostly just some passing clouds. Highs, though, aren't being held down. 82 tomorrow, 84 on Tuesday, 86 on Wednesday, 88 by Thursday, and even near 90 by Friday. It's going to get a little more humid, too, especially by Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. There may be a front near us by next Sunday that could generate a small chance for a shower, but until then, the warm, humid weather is on as we roll into spring break time. And we'll keep tracking those changes coming up.